Alright guys, today is Thursday. It's almost Friday. Thursday, October 23, 2025. And we have a losing day today. Here's our P&L for today, negative 466. And I'm going to show you guys the Tokai trade. The trade I took. Holy, the Tokai trade. Anyways. Alright. If we look at the 4 hourly, we are at a bearish gap. We disrespected this bullish, right? And then we're at a bearish 4 hour, right? 4 hour bearish. At the hourly, we are, it's kind of neutral on the hourly, right? We haven't swept any of these lows, so we're not delivering from sell side, though we are delivering from buy side, right over here. Okay, so hourly neutral. In the 30-minute though, it's still neutral. Like, we have this bearish gap here, we have bullish gaps here that got respected, right? We're at a 30-minute bearish right now, and so we're pretty neutral right now. But what I did see is that we had a bullish SMT, right? NQ swept these Asia lows. On ES, we haven't, right? So boom, 30-minute should have been bullish, more bullish sided, but we are at this 30-minute fair value gap, bearish. And so I should have stuck to this bullish SMT, and it's at a higher time frame, and you'll see why. So we come to market open, right? I'll just show you guys that. Market opened, we start disrespecting this 30-minute, so for sure bullish. And our targets are what? These hourly highs and London highs, right? So here and here. So boom. Yes, we could have traded here, but market opened all the way up here, so it's not really good to take a trade all the way up here, you know. Like, this is a lot of risk. And so boom, I just waited patiently. Again, I was really patient today. So boom, we swept our London highs and our hourly high here. We make a 5-minute unfilled here, 5-minute here. And so I'm thinking, hey, we moved how many points? We moved, oh shit. We moved up about 200 points on going higher. We need to rebalance. We just swept liquidity, so I'm going for shorts to these unfilled, right? So we're gonna look for an inversion. There's inversion here, the 1 minute. And what else did I see for this confluence? I see that this dotted line, that's an SMT with ES. So on ES, on the 30-minute time frame, we swept these highs. In the Nasdaq, we didn't. So a bearish SMT, but I wasn't fully bearish. I know we're still gonna go longs. I just wanted to trade into these unfilled gaps and then continue higher. So basically like this, look for these unfilled 5-minute down here and here, so somewhat here, and then continue higher. That's what I wanted to see. So yeah, so we make that SMT. Now we're looking for inversions, right? Boom, not on the 1 minute on that leg, nothing on the 2, so we come to the next one. We have a 2-minute here, and 3-minute is all the way down here. 4 minute, and a 5. So 5 for sure I'm not taking because obviously there's a lower one here. So 4 is okay. Just get rid of this. So a 4, right? And so boom, we wait for that. Or on the minute, we broke structure, right? We also filled this gap and continued lower, so that's continuation, which is what happened. So I was like, perfect, order flow switched, and now I just want a better entry basically. So here on the 4, right on right here, we swept it, but I'm pretty sure I entered off the 3-minute closure, and then I just tried to get a better fill. And so what did I target? These unfilled lows, right? This 5-minute. So there's a 5-minute there, 5-minute here, and I was targeting this and possibly a little more if ever we get there, right? So for now, let's just do this. My stops are at this swing high. It should have been here, but I wasn't too comfortable with that. I wanted to let the trade breathe, right? On the minute, we've changed order flow to go bearish. So I said, perfect, that's the retracement we want, and we're gonna keep going. So I entered, and boom, this is why I didn't want our stops to be here. And so yeah, we quickly filled up and then continued lower. And right here, the first 5-minute unfilled, I wanted to go break even. So boom, we are now break even. Let's do this like this actually. So I'll just do it here, right? Just so we see the numbers. Boom, I get filled there. My stops are at this high, TP are at this low, right? Our TP could be here for a decent profit, but I wanted to stick to my model, and I thought we were gonna fill this 5-minute honestly, because we moved so much, right? Almost 200 points. I won at least, right? Up the 50% mark, right? That's what I wanted to see. But yeah, so boom, our TP's here, stops are up here, and let's just play it. So here we were down a bit on drawdown, and here we started to see some greens, 300, 400 over here, and then we went to break even, right? And then obviously we got stopped. So boom, that's my first trade. And so what should I have done better here? Well, obviously I should have looked at the 15. It's also a 15 unfilled, right? And remember, we still have that bullish SMT. We have a 15-minute bullish here. We just filled the 5 right here, and so boom, we tapped into it, and I should have went longs here instead. So we look for inversions, right? There's a 2-minute, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, so there's a 2-minute here. Boom, boom, we inverse. This move should have been the should have told me that, hey, we're actually bullish, we're still continuing bullish as we respect this 5-minute and 15-minute, right? And so boom, let's do that again. This trade I did not take, but this is what I should have taken. So stops would be here, TP these highs, or about a 1-to-1, or even this previous I believe 30-minute high, or an unfilled but whatever. So boom, we take that. Our break even would probably be right here. Break even, right? Haven't hit break even yet, so we come down again. Right there, we fully close above break even. So I'm gonna go break even here. That's 700. We would have made back our money. Here we're chopped a bit, and then we sold it. So that's what I should have traded today, but I didn't. So I'm just letting you guys know that this is the next trade I took. Okay, so why did I take this one? Let's go back here. Erase this and I don't know about that. Right, so what did I see here now? We had a SMT, bearish SMT, right? And Q, we swept it. ES, we're continuing lower. So boom, maybe this is another retrace for me to take. So I was just targeting these lows. Where is it? These lows, I guess. Something like that. So boom, I'm looking for an inversion again. There's a 2 minute, there's a 3 minute, and I think that's it. So a 3 minute here. Boom, full what is this called? Great displacement to go lower, like almost a V shape. So that was a good sign for me. And then the next candle, I believe, is when I entered and fully got close to. Now that I look at it, we only inversed the 2, and we did inverse the 3. So I'm pretty sure I entered off here, but whatever. And fully straight to TP. Now this one, horrible trade. We already knew. On a higher time frame, we have a SMT down here still. We just filled the 15 to continue higher. Why did I take shorts again? And we still had this high, by the way. Right? We never fully closed above it, and now we did. And yeah, got lower. And yeah, that's my trade for today. You can see where the price is at now. So yeah, we just continued lower. Holy, are we at all-time highs? No, we're not. But we do have that. Maybe, possibly tomorrow. Right? I'm pretty sure we have FOMC tomorrow, Friday. Oh, it's today, Thursday. Wait, what? Yeah, here. Oh, CPI. Core CPI. And to be honest, we're probably gonna go all-time highs. At this point, again, all-time highs trading sucks. But yeah, I don't know, man. Shoulda knew right here. That was a retracement. I think that's my mistake for today. But other than that, I did read the markets pretty well. Not like at 100%, obviously. I knew we were gonna retrace, but I just didn't see that 15, and I was focused on the 5. But yeah, that is my trade for today. We are down 466 on the account. And good luck to the people who are full porting tomorrow, core CPI. I'm not sure if the government's back in the United States, but yeah. I hope you guys caught a W today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.